What's up guys, my name is Hervé Micha. Tell me in comment how do you do today. Today let's talk about how to do a visit card. So let's get started. Visit card is an important tool for communication. It's pretty interesting for professionals who desire to meet clients and partners. You can use visit card in different contexts. In a meeting, an interview, in a trade show, if you want to do an internship, maybe you want to start your career. Visit card allows to give some essential information about you, about your company, about your design agency during the first contact. My advice is very required to do it correctly. So I recommend you to include this information in your visit card. First, the company brand and your philosophy company. Number 2, your first name and your last name. Number 3, your number phone and your email address. Number 4, your company address. And the last, number 5, the link of your web address. With these information, your partner have possibilities to join you quickly and to know about your company, your activity. So it gives you some interesting opportunities. My opinion, I recommend you to work on your card visit after to focus on your design portfolio. You can use different styles, different brands, different colors, different standard dimension, etc. So today I'm here to help you to improve your card visit for your next meeting and interview. In this session, I show you my example of my card visit, but I recommend you to use your creativity. So, if you are ready to do it, have fun and take time. So, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question about design, skills and investment, you are in a good place. So don't forget to comment below. Have a good day guys. Bye bye.